HTML. An array is a collection of variables stitched together to make a single unit. Each individual variable is placed into a separate element of the array. Elements are numbered starting at 0. An array with a total of 5 elements will have 5 variables, numbered 0 through 4. As you go through this section, be sure to experiment with arrays by fiddling with the arrays.html playground script. You create an array with quote-unquote element 1, comma, quote-unquote element 2. Let's go to the beginning, actually. Hit or miss. You don't need anything special to develop code using JavaScript. You only need a text editor program to write the code and a web browser to view the result. It's that simple. So you can use Google Chrome web browser or Atom editor, which is atom.io. Excuse me. So you can do this on Android or iOS Apple devices. So you have to learn basic arithmetic before moving on to calculus. So this is getting into big time math. The same is true of writing programming code. Start simple and move up from there. So let's just do that. Start the Atom text editor. Alright. Well, I'm not going to start the Atom text editor. Not right now. That'd be spooky. What in the world has happened? My face is slightly greasy. This is my first stage. This is my first page of code, exclamation mark. So, that's interesting. Second page of code. Third page of code. Whoa. Ogre.jpg. Combining the talented triad. I don't know that word. TRIAD. Of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, script pages contain all the information necessary for colorful, immersive, animated games that think on their own and react to players' actions. That's neat. You want a game that can think on its own? Probably. Center stage to any script page are the bits and pieces known as HTML elements, which a browser uses to define the things that appear on screen. We talked about elements earlier. You learn a little bit about them in Chapter 1 in this chapter. Discover more details about HTML and how it's used to define both the layout and the overall appearance of your games. Now we are in the body element, so I don't know. I hope you guys are enjoying this reading so far. Notice some of the tags have additional information. Okay. I'm not a pro at coding. I've never coded other than like on a school computer. And that's not really real, you know. And I've like done it where it's set up for you, but I've never went into like JavaScript and like wrote a script for a game or wrote, you know, code for a website. I would like to. If you ever get one of these drinks, they look like they're moist. You see that? Here, let me get this light on it. Look at that. It looks as if it is moist. But it's not. I don't know. Indeedent. Those are some fat ribs. Alright. So basically, I basically recommend getting these. The Gamer's Guide to Coding. Design, Code, Build, and Play by Gordon McComb. Oh gosh. I mean, it teaches you how to do a lot. From what I've already read, it's quite neat. This man knows what's up. Mr. Gordon McComb. Mr. McComb. Yeah. 2D games for Windows and Mac. I mean, you could make a game like that, and that'd be really dope. Really dope. Have any of you guys ever read Princess Mononoke? Hayao Miyazaki. Well, I got the Blu-ray plus DVD plus exclusive booklet with statements from the filmmaker. And here's the booklet. I've seen an edit with that little image on it, you know, little man. I've never actually watched the movie, but Ponyo, I believe, is that little buddy's name. And I've never watched that movie. I haven't watched any of these movies. Maybe My Neighbor Totoro. I don't know. Castle in the Sky, I know that one. There's a picture book. I did not know that. And there's an art book. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to get one of those. I mean, I've seen lots of edits of this, but I've never actually watched the movie. The artwork's pretty cool. Like, I mean, whoa. That's a long time ago. Hold on. What is this? Yet amidst, I can't even say the word. Amidst. Yet, even amidst hatred and carnage, life is still worth living. It is possible for wonderful encounters and beautiful things to exist. I will depict animosity, but that is in order to show the fact where there is something more precious. I depict the bondage of a curse in order to show the joy of liberation. What I will show is the boy reaching an understanding of the girl, and the process of the girl's heart opening up to the boy. In the end, the girl may say to the boy, "I love you, Ashitaka, but I can't forgive human beings." The boy will smile and say, "That's all right. Won't you live together with me?" This is the kind of film I want to make. That was in 1995. by Hayao Miyazaki. So, no. H. Here. Excuse me. I'm ready to watch this movie. I really have never seen it, and I've just seen edits and really neat films of it. There was an Instagram account that made the best edits out of animation, short movies and TV shows and things like that, and they were so good. And the account just disappeared one day, and I was upset, because I mean, that account like literally was the one that inspired me to make edits, and I never even have made an edit other than like tiny little edits. Never a good one with anime, and I don't really know how to, honestly. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna watch this movie and maybe get a little inspired. But thank you at HAYAO space MIYAZAKI. Thank you. I want to say hey to Chief David out there. Hey, Chief David. I hope you're having a good day. I know it's probably hard right now, but you got Rotzi here for you. I swear, you might think I'm stupid, but Cuddle Team Leader is here for you. Okay? And I'm gonna get a Cuddle Team Leader onesie, and I'll be here for you in that Cuddle Team Leader onesie. Gosh. Wait a minute. Dang, that's some juice. Right. You know, that's gonna sum it up, I believe. I won this in a claw machine on my birthday. Roughly 11 days ago, I believe now. Today is the 25th. Today is the 25th. So the 14th would be 25 minus 11 is probably about 14. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful evening.